Looks impressive, right? Today I will show you how to turn your still images into small animations in just a few seconds. I've created a tutorial on how to create a cinematograph like this properly, fully in 3D. Check it out if you are interested. The link will be in the description below this video. Today we'll use a different approach and use AI to do the job for us. We will be using Runway Generation tool, which is an AI system that can generate videos from text prompts or image inputs. You can use a free version, which will work great for what we will be doing today. Let's start with an image and drag and drop the image into the browser. I will add a link to this stock image to the description below as well. To create the animation, we'll use the motion brush. Here we will paint over the elements we want to move. We can specify the brush size here. I will paint over the clouds. If you want to remove something, just use the eraser tool. Then, we can move to controls. We can specify exactly how the objects are moving in the video. We can move them in all axes, as well as add some noise to the animation. If I double-click on the value, I can type it exactly how I want it. This setup will move the objects to the left. This one opposite, to the right. We can also move them vertically down. And up. We can also move the feather away from the camera. This one is not so noticeable. Or move them closer. We can also use noise. It would work better in other examples, like adding wind to the trees, for instance. When you get the values dialed in, click Save and generate the video. After a while, you have your first animation ready. It looks pretty good. You can notice that the whole image is affected, not only the areas we painted on. We even have moving shadows from the clouds on the buildings and reflections in the water. Sometimes the results are messed up though. Like here, for example. It's not something we have control over right now. We can also take it a step further and add camera movements to the animation. To do so, we'll use this option. If I click here, you can notice the brush settings are still the same, so our clouds should move the same way. Let's go into the camera motion settings. We have all the popular movements here to use. With each option, we can go in both directions. Here also you can type the values manually. I will reset all the values. Let's try something. I will zoom out a little bit. And maybe add some camera tilt. Let's save and generate. Here is the result. It's way too fast and messy. I will lower the values to make it slower, and maybe this will fix the errors as well. Let's generate. It looks way better. Hope you liked this shorter tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you will try this. If you want to learn all about Arvis, check out my online courses or watch more videos here on YouTube. Bye bye!